Welcome all. So I am quickly making this video. The topic you must have read, that never change healer in between any cure of black magic or any puja for that matter. Now see, this topic is something that I had to make because I am seeing, and I have seen in the past also, that a lot of people panic in between, when they actually get to know about their problem, okay, after the diagnosis or through anywhere else also when they come to us, okay. Now what happens is that these people, now especially if I'm talking about the corona time, what had happened is when there were a lot of bookings which came to us. I'm giving an example here, okay. And this was a corona time where the puja samagris and everything was locked down, okay, nothing was happening, but the bookings had happened. So of course the work had to get delayed, and the black magic victims which came to us, their cures were delayed, but yes, the blocking was done for them. Now hear me very carefully. Blocking was done for all. When I say blocking, means that that's the first step, that anything new which is there from the enemy's side, that is if you're a black magic victim, I'm talking about that example, okay. So if you're a black magic victim and the new damage should not happen, because see, whatever has been happening in the past, that needs time to be cured, okay. We need number of days to cure depending on the case. But before that, what we do is, the first thing once we take up the case is we do a blocking, okay, which is supposed to be a 1 week process. So for each and every victim who came to us, okay, the black magic victim, the blocking was done for that person, okay, and was categorically told by emails that because of this scenario, the whole global scenario of the lockdown which had happened in 2020, I'm talking about that. So don't worry, the damages will not increase, but the moment we get an opportunity, the things are opened up, the cure will start. Now what had happened is, then meanwhile few of them panicked a lot, okay. This is a realistic thing that I'm telling you. Panicked a lot. It's been 2 months, 3 months, and nothing is happening, okay, and no cure is happening. So they contacted different healers in between, who so-called promised them that they'll be fine in much more less money also, okay, because of course their cures will not be permanent, okay. So these people innocently, or I would say in a very they did a very stupid act of going to these healers who promised them that we will take this out in few number of days or whatever it is, and you'll be fine, okay. So they went to them, and now what is happening is, what had actually happened, that once the blocking is done after 1 week, after the 1 week process, okay, automatically the new damages, they don't occur because the blocking is done. And meanwhile the pujas also started. The way we started getting puja samagris, the puja started. Now the healing that was taking place from here, okay, they are thinking the healing is happening from that new healer which they have contacted, who so-called promised them, and we never gave any big statements. We were very genuine enough to say this is the corona time and everything is getting delayed, okay. So will this, but the criteria is, if you come to us for black magic cure, of course we will safeguard your life, and we will safeguard the life attack, and we will not let the life attack happen, and we will make sure that no new damages are happening, right? So all this happened. So few of them panicked and this happened, and then once they got cured from, of course, few months back after the lockdown had opened, okay. Now they have this in mind that we already got cured from somewhere else, okay. Now instead of getting cured from somewhere else, they don't know this, then I had to inform them, few of them, that while I was doing and my team was doing these cures for them, we got to know definitely that there's some other healer involved in this process, and of course the victim has willingly got this thing done, okay. And the few errors from that specific healer and the other smartnesses from those healers which took place in the middle of the process, we of course did not inform them, because we never want them to be embarrassed, and we thought that once they will also get to know about this once they're cured, that yes, of course they're permanently cured and they're feeling better now, okay. But then few of them started writing to the team that we got cured from so and so place because our work got delayed, and that person did this work in such less money and all of that nonsense. So for such people, I would like to say that when you get cured, you should first of all have a gratitude towards the thing that a person who you approached in the first place, you came crying and having the trust that please save me, and we took up the case, and seeing the priority and seeing the urgency, we did the blocking, everything was done. Okay, in the middle, without informing, you go to somebody else. That is a wrong thing to do as it is. Okay, when you have already paid for the spiritual services that you are availing, why can't you just wait? Somebody who's honest enough to tell this is something that globally that was happening. Now what had happened was more damages took place in the middle. Okay, and of course we thought that these people, few of them, of course, they're black magic victims. They are more they're already in such a bad shape of life. Why do all them scold them and say that why did you do this? So we did not inform on that. Okay, we kept on doing our work because that is, everybody in the corona time were completely exhausted in every single way. Mentally also everybody was exhausted as to what is going on. Okay, so then this thing happened. So of course the people are safeguarded because they have the protection. And then even when we did not send any lockets to them, because that depends on me, and I decide with my spiritual team whether anything to wear is necessary or not necessary. That does not mean that everybody would get things to wear. Okay, and then when you write to the team that we got cured from somewhere else in the middle and you stop our cure, what are you talking? What stop your cure? We already done your cure. And no matter how much you get it done from outside, when you're actually doing completely sattvic cures, okay, these are very powerful cures, and even in the middle of the process of the cure, you start feeling better, you start feeling the differences in you. Okay, so stop being so shameless, stop being so self-centered, and have some gratitude towards and some respect towards spiritual healers who are going genuinely over these things. Okay, rather than deciding yourself that you suddenly hop onto a healer in the middle of the cure. Okay, what if that middle of the cure to somebody else, the process could have clashed from the other person's side, not from our side, from the other person's side. So the video that I'm making this, the reason behind this is that do not panic. Okay, and do not do such stupid things, because this will backfire on you only. Okay, and then don't come crying to us that why this happened, Guru Didi, and I'm so sorry this thing happened. Okay, we are telling you the truth, we are doing things honestly. Okay, don't rush up things unnecessarily. I was going through so much of pain in my head, I was going through so much of pain here, there, wherever. How the hell you know whether this pain which got over was through us or from that person that you recently contacted? We are doing the work from day one, step by step, and suddenly somebody barges in from your side and says that I've done this. We are not here to take credits, but I'm just trying to educate the other people that don't be fools like this, because not every time you get a healer here who's genuine enough to eradicate those negative effects of the healer that just came in between and was trying to trap you in his or her own ways, that you keep on coming back. For a few months you will be fine, and then again you will have some issue of life, some other department of life. Okay, so people who are watching this, please don't do such things, and people who want to do this, please don't contact us. I had to make this video because I don't want further on people to do this. Okay, that's about it. Take care. Jai Maa Kali.